Good afternoon. Myself Reyes. Once again, I am welcoming you for the new session in war. And as you know that this is the topic replacement theory. And in the last session, we did a problem, one problem, and how to solve using the replacement theory. And in this session, I am going to give one more example to solve replacement theory. See the problem. A machine A costs rupees 9,000. Annual operating costs are rupees 200 for the first year and then increases by 2,000 every year. Determine the best age at which the replace to machine. Assume that the machine has no resale value. See, one thing you observe here, that is solution. Here purchase price or cost is rupees 9,000. Okay, and annual operating cost are rupees 200. That means it is a operating cost. What is the operating cost? So this operating cost is a maintenance cost. So that is, it is a CI. It is rupees 200. And just read that, assume that the machine has no resale value. Student, you please observe one thing. If at all it's a scrap value or resale value is not given, then you need to take Sn equals to 0. Once again I am reminding, if no resale value means Sn equals to 0. Remember one thing, operating cost, maintenance cost is one and the same, cost price or purchase price one and the same, and the resale value or scrap value is one and the same. Okay, in this problem Sn equals to 0. With this we will start the problem. And one thing you note down here itself, P minus Sn is 9,000 minus 0, which is equals to 9,000 for all the problem. And one more thing you remember, as I told, see this is the first age, that is n in years, and then it is P minus Sn, and then it is Ci operating cost, and then summation Ci, and then Tn, that is T of n is equal to P minus Sn plus summation Ci, and then the last one is annual average cost, that is D of n is given by T of n by n. Is it clear? So now see, that is first year, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and something, 7. Okay, if it is not mentioned anything, just write down for 7 years. Now see here, first one, as I told, in this problem, only in this problem, whenever there is no resale value or there is no scrap value, this particular column will be same for throughout all the rows. That means it is 9,000 for all. 9,000. Please remember what is the reason for this. It is 9,000. Okay. Next, CI. It is very interesting. It is given the 200 for the first year. So it is 200 for the first year, and afterwards, and then increases by rupees 2,000 every year. That is, maintenance cost will be increasing 2,000 every year. That means the first year for 200, it is 2,000 will be added. That is 2,200. Okay. And the next one, for this 2,200, again you add 2,000. So it is 4,200. Then again 2,000. That means 6,200. Then 8,200. It is 10,200. It is 12,200. Okay. Now see here, you add the thing summation of CI, that is cumulative operating cost or cumulative maintenance cost. It is 200 for the first year. 200 plus 2,200, it is 2,400. 2,400 plus 4,200 is 6,600, and then it is 6,000, it is 12,800. Then 12,000 plus 8,000, it is 20,000, and again 800 plus 2, 21,000. Then 21 plus 10, it is 31,200. 31,000 plus 12, it is 43,400. Is it clear? Okay. Now see here. You need to add these two columns. 9,000 plus, see one row I'll show. 9,000 plus 200, it is 9,200. Correct? Then see 9,000 plus 2,400. 9,000 plus 2,400. It is 11,400. 9,000 plus 6,600. It is 15,600. Then 9,000 plus 12,800. It is 21,800. 9,000 plus 21,000. It is 30,000. Then 9,000 plus 31,200. It is 40,200. It is for 9,000 plus 43,400. It is 52,400. Is it clear? Now see here, it is 9,200 by 1, which is equals to 9,200. It is 11,400 by 2, which is equals to how much? 2 5s and 2 7s, 5,700. And then it is 15,600 by 3, it is 3 5s, then 3 2s. Next, it is 21,800, it is 4. So 4 5s are 20, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 5 4 50. Then it is, see here, 30,000 by, it is 5, so it is 6,000. Then 40,200, 6, 6 6 are 36, 4 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42. Then 52,400 by 7. 7 7s are 49, 3 7 4s are 28. 7 7s are 49, 49 3, 24 6. 7 8s are 56. 7 5s are something it will come. Okay. In this way it is complete now. Please observe one thing. What the rule of replacement says means, observe here 9,200, it is decreased. 5,700, then 5,200, again it is decreased. But see here, in the fourth year, after dropping, once again it has started rising. 5,450, 6,000, 6,700, 7,480. Okay. So you need to locate the point where the annual average cost is minimum. Okay. So observe here, this is the minimum. Is it clear? Therefore, machine should be replaced at the end of third year. Okay, third year. Is it clear? Correct ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದು ಏಜ್, ಇದು P minus SN. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ P 9000 ಇದೆ, ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, 0 ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ 9000 minus 0 9000 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು. ಇದು ಮೈಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೊದಲನೇ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ 200 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ 2000 ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯುಮ್ಯುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸಕ್ಸೆಸಿವ್ ಆಗಿ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಟಿ ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಎರಡು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇದು ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಈ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇಯರ್ ಇಂದ. 9200 1, 11400 2, ಹಾಗೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, 9200 ಇಂದ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, 5700 ಆಗಿದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ 5200 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5450 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಡು ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ಆನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಇಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು 5200. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆ ಇಯರ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮೆಷಿನ್, ಅಥವಾ 3ನೇ ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.